Hey, what's going on, everyone? I hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're diving into a new feature that was just rolled out for the platform, and that is that you can now go into any section, row, or column and have separate settings for your padding for both mobile and desktop. Now, what this means for you is that now you can mobile optimize your pages without having to create multiple different rows and sections and everything that are specific to mobile and desktop. Anyways, enough chit chat. Let's go and just jump into my screen here and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Before we dive in, I have something awesome for you. It is our Quick Start Blueprint ebook. It's the ultimate guide for your service-based business looking to get set up online the right way without all the tech headaches. Whether you're just starting out or trying to improve upon what you've already set up, this ebook is packed with a bunch of tips, tricks, and overall strategies that can help you grow your business. You can grab your free copy below by clicking the link in the description. With that said, let's go and dive into the video. Alrighty, kicking things off inside of our editor here. If we were to take a look at the sections, the rows, or the column settings inside of our page here, we would be given a set of settings that will allow us to adjust the top padding, the bottom padding, and the left and right padding. Now, prior to this video or prior to this adjustment, you'd only be able to adjust that setting for everything. Meaning the settings you put in there would appear for both mobile and desktop. And if one didn't look good on the other side, for instance, if you make adjustments to left and right padding on desktop, and then you go to the mobile side and realize that looks crazy and doesn't look good at all, you would have to go in and essentially clone that elements or the row or whatever it is that you're having that problem with, and then create one for mobile, one for desktop. That was it. That was the solution that we were given, and it works. That's not a problem, but it makes it so you have to go and make more adjustments in the future, and it's just a lot of future editing. Now, with this new update inside of the platform, what we can do for each of the levels I mentioned, again, the section, the row, or the column settings, we can go into those settings and we can adjust the top padding, the bottom padding, and the side padding here for both mobile and desktop. They can be separate. They don't have to be together anymore, which means that we can crank up the side padding like crazy on the desktop and not have it affect anything on the mobile side, which is spectacular. Okay. Now, to emphasize this point I'm trying to make here, if we go to this headline here and go into our settings, crank this up to whatever we want, 300 pixels, and we go over to the mobile side, nothing has changed. It's the exact same, and actually we have zero padding there. If we were to change it on mobile, the same thing would happen. 300, and we go to the desktop side, crank it down to 0, boom, just like that. These settings are independent. They don't connect at all, and we can go in and have it look as we need it. There we go. Now, no one would ever do this, right? This is crazy. But you have the ability to do so now. You can make it so they are independent of one another. Okay, that is the magical feature we're talking about today. Again, you can now adjust the top padding, the bottom padding, and the side padding for both mobile and desktop between your sections, your rows, and your columns in ClickFunnels 2.0. That's it. How fun is that? If you have any questions around anything that we covered today, even though it wasn't anything crazy, I'm more than happy to help clarify and point you in the right direction. Or if you have any questions around ClickFunnels as a whole, anything in the ecosystem, let me know down below. I am more than happy to point you in the right direction and answer any questions that you may have. Okay? With that said, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next video. See ya.